per un'altra parola catalogisa. Time for another Sicilian word. Today's word is grevia. What does grevia mean? It means when you're cooking something and it's missing salt. So you say e grevia di sale. In Italian we say ci manca il sale or sale è mancante. So when you're missing salt in your food, in Sicilian we say e grevia. So we add a bit more salt or a bit more cheese to make the flavor come just right. So that's the word for today, grevia. It means missing salt. In Italian, ci manca il sale. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana Learn Sicilian one word at a time. And please remember to follow me as well on Instagram for positive and humoristic posts. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto! Salutiamo!